bike life, boys. Bike life.
Looking at girl, I can help you with that. She like when I be rocking, how I'm wearing my hat. This has
So, you know, it like looks beautiful out there and everything. Look at this warning that's on my phone. Unhealthy for sensitive groups. That's the air quality. And then all the way at the top, there's also a warning for air quality. I don't know why it's not focusing. Unhealthy air quality for sensitive groups. So, I then went on the internet and searched it, and this area, Philadelphia, Westchester, Delaware, dude, we're like in an orange. Yellow's bad. Orange is really bad, dude. Like, well, not really bad. There's 2 more stages above it, but I don't get it. It's beautiful out. Looks beautiful out. I don't know. Is it the cold? Somebody that's like a technician here, let me know what's going on, like in the comment section below. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're gonna shred some little mini pit bikes today, so stay tuned. It's frigid out here. It's grown from 2 degrees to 5 degrees, so that's a plus. Yeah. Whoa. YouTube. What's up, YouTube? Are we signing back in for the day? Yeah, we're signing back in for the day. All right, guys, I have both bikes loaded up in the back. I don't know what you can see back there. And we are headed over to the champ's house. He's gonna work on the other bike for Alex Jordan. Hopefully he's gonna give me a tour of his trails. And hopefully we are gonna shred some pit bikes in the snow as the polar vortex thaws out. Here we go, buckle in, stay tuned, put your helmets on, it's on out here, turn the GoPro on! We're here, the champ's house. Still a frozen wonderland right now. That's a pond right there if you can see it. Frozen oasis out here. Maybe we'll shred these little dogs right now. All right, I got these suckers unloaded. I didn't even want to film that fiasco. So now I'm gonna push this over there while she warms up a little bit and then come back for the other one. Freaking bike life, boys. Bike life. Dude, you went from Zebediah to GQ. How do you feel?
I feel good.
No friggin' way. This is nuts. I don't know if people are gonna get mad at me about this, but I just turned the Champs radio on. Listen to what's playing. To me, no. We gotta move on from this before I lose interest in hanging out with Zach. Just heard some weird shit. Oh, that's Rocky the squirrel. He changed his thing. Now we talking, boys. Now we talking. I'm pretty much just gonna put my helmet on, put my GoPro on, and follow this guy around. He's a savage.
You're gonna jump the driveway, the infamous road gap. This was my first jump.
Where is it?
Ready?
Just follow you?
Follow me, pin.
No.
Don't be a, follow me, don't be a pussy.
Oh my gosh, bro. Fuck. looks like? What's that?
It's a famous sledding hill.
The local sledding hill. Yeah.
It's a dirt road to get to it.
All right. Technical, bro. He rides technical as fuck. Shit. Whole back end sideways right now.
Think we can do the X Games snow bike hill climb?
You're so fucking good. There's a car. The champ in his natural habitat. This is his store, 59 Moto. Look at him. Freaking God. What are all these trophies, Zach?
They're actually not mine.
Oh, okay. I thought they were yours.
They're Jake's.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, I got this. This one's mine here. This is a soapbox derby trophy here. I won the I got 5th place in the Masters division.
No way.
At the soapbox derby in Pottstown. I'm really proud of this trophy.
You probably really are. That's what's twisted.
No, yeah, I'm so proud of this thing. Like, I would like to thank my everyone that sponsored that race. Like, these trophies are just really important.
Epicness just went down on the mini bikes, dude. The pit bikes. That was insane through those fields, through those little tracks, through the woods. Fun times. I'm headed back home right now, but dude, wow. That's all I'm gonna say. That was epic. Seriously epic time. So, yeah, I don't really know what to say. We out of here. Woo!
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.